Hello everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of a medication called Pramipexole, commonly known by its brand name, Mirapex. As with all our discussions, this is meant for educational purposes. If you have health-related questions or concerns, always reach out to a medical professional. Description: Pramipexole, often recognized by its brand name Mirapex, is a prescription medication used to treat certain neurological conditions. It belongs to a class of drugs known as dopamine agonists. Pramipexole primarily acts on dopamine receptors in the brain, helping to improve the symptoms of Parkinson's disease and restless leg syndrome, RLS. For individuals with Parkinson's disease, Pramipexole can alleviate symptoms such as tremors, muscle stiffness, and difficulty with movement. It helps restore the balance of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in motor control. In the case of restless leg syndrome, Pramipexole can relieve the uncomfortable sensations in the legs and the urge to move them, allowing for more restful sleep. Warnings: before taking Pramipexole, there are several important considerations. It's crucial to inform your healthcare provider if you are allergic to this medication or if you have any other allergies. Additionally, discuss any medical conditions you may have, especially if you have a history of heart problems, low blood pressure, mental/mood disorders, such as depression or psychosis, kidney disease, or sleep disorders. It's important to note that Pramipexole may cause drowsiness or sudden episodes of falling asleep. Therefore, you should not drive, operate machinery, or engage in activities that require mental alertness until you know how this medication affects you. Before starting Pramipexole, let your doctor know about all the medications, supplements, and herbal products you are currently taking, as they may interact with this drug. Side effects: like all medications, Pramipexole can have side effects. Common side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, nausea, constipation, or difficulty sleeping. These side effects are generally mild and tend to improve as your body adjusts to the medication. However, some individuals may experience more serious side effects, such as hallucinations, unusual urges, example, gambling, increased sexual urges, swelling of the ankles/legs, or mental/mood changes. If you experience any of these symptoms, contact your healthcare provider promptly. In rare cases, Pramipexole may lead to a condition known as orthostatic hypotension, which is a sudden drop in blood pressure when standing up. This can result in dizziness or fainting when getting up from a sitting or lying position. To minimize the risk, it's recommended to rise slowly from such positions. Interactions: Pramipexole may interact with other medications. It's essential to inform your doctor about all the drugs, supplements, and herbal products you're currently taking to avoid any adverse interactions. Dosage: the correct dosage of Pramipexole is crucial for its effectiveness. Always follow your doctor's recommendations when taking this medication. The dosage may vary depending on your condition, so it's important to adhere to your healthcare provider's guidance. For Parkinson's disease, the typical starting dose of Pramipexole is 0.125 mg 3 times a day. Your doctor may gradually increase the dose as needed. For restless leg syndrome, the initial dose is usually 0.125 mg once daily in the evening, taken 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Avoid: while taking Pramipexole, it's advisable to avoid alcohol, as it may increase the risk of certain side effects such as dizziness and drowsiness. Additionally, be cautious when changing positions to prevent orthostatic hypotension. FAQ: many individuals wonder about the duration of Pramipexole treatment. Parkinson's disease and restless leg syndrome are chronic conditions, and treatment with Pramipexole is typically long-term. However, the specific duration and dosage may vary depending on your individual response and your doctor's recommendations. Closing: that concludes our overview of Pramipexole, known by its brand name Mirapex. As always, remember that this information is intended for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. If you have any questions or concerns about this medication, consult with a healthcare provider. Thank you for tuning in.